po guys. Ang bago. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Belsky channel. And hello out there sa mga friends ko, sa mga subscribers ko, sa mga nag-like. Hello po. Today po, I'm going to unbox my Lazada orders. I have 2 orders from Lazada arrived today. So, gusto ko po i-share sa inyo kung ano po ang mga orders ko. Hey guys! Ito na po. Ito po guys. Ang bago. Second one guys. Ito guys. Ano po guys? Ano po yung box ko from Lazada guys? Ito po ang bubuksan natin ngayon guys. At ipapakita kung ano ang nasa loob guys. Excited na ako guys. Bubuksan ko natin guys. Gagamitin ko ito sa pagluluto ko guys. Sa pagluluto ko. Gagamitin ko. This is it guys. Ano po guys, I received from Lazada my order, one of my order guys. Hand mixer guys. This is na guys. Ito na guys. Ito guys. Ito ang order ko from Lazada. Excited. Guys, I'm so excited to use it guys. Yay! Okay guys. This is hand mixer guys. Okay. Napakamura na nito guys. Nabili ko from Lazada guys is more than 200 pesos only guys. Nag-sale kasi sila guys. Kaya inudo ko na. My second order guys. Isang guys. This is a box of lightweight lipstick guys. Hey guys. Ano po? So, kung bubuksan ito guys para makita natin kung ano po ang laman. Wow guys. Wow gagamitin ko na. Gagamitin ko na. And the third order guys, this is stain remover guys, toothpaste stain remover. Okay, so nice, I'm so excited. Alright guys, the second box, okay, it's the smaller one, and bubuksan na din natin. Guys, okay. Ano po guys? This is guys, this one is aluminum okay. Ito guys, and guys, one dozen aluminum for my cupcake, and bibingka guys. In-order ko to guys para may magamit ako sa aking pagluluto, sa aking pagbibig, at gagawin kong cupcake, and also bibingka guys. Kaya excited na ako magluto guys. Oh my. So ito po 12 pieces guys, and the other side guys, ito guys is 12 pieces din guys. Buksan natin ito guys para makita ninyo guys. Orders ko from Lazada guys. Talagang nakabalot siya guys, at may talaga siya guys. Kaya safe na safe po guys. Mag-order kayo guys from Lazada. Safe talaga guys, kasi yung lahat ng mga order ko guys, safe talaga. Arrive in my home as safe, and wala pong nasisira guys. Okay guys, ito na po guys. 12, dalawang order ko is 12 pieces. 12 pieces is 24 pieces lahat guys. Ito guys. So I'm so glad and I'm happy guys na dumating ang lahat ng order ko guys. Yeah guys, maraming salamat guys for today, and maraming salamat sa mga subscribers ko. Thank you so much sa mga nag-like po or sa gusto mag-share guys. Thank you so much guys, and don't forget guys to subscribe my channel guys. God bless to everyone guys. guys. God bless. Stay safe and yes, stay home, stay safe. Thank you guys.